ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. Sad Sangat ji, this is the second part of Kirtan by our family Jatha. About 2 weeks ago, we shared some of the lessons that we can learn from the Shahidi of Guru Arjan Dev Maharaj. The first, to live by our principles. The second, to stay in his will. And the third, to become a peaceful person. Now, Guruji underwent physical torture for 5 long days. 3 types of suffering was inflicted. The first, tapat neer, or boiling hot water. The second, tapat lo, the red hot iron plate. And the third, tapat bal, or tapat ret, which was the red hot sand that was poured over Guruji's body. This took place in the month of Jeth in India, which is the hottest month. Guruji's flesh had all melted and only his bones could be seen. Despite that, Guruji kept cool, was cool on the inside. Guruji was as cool as a rain bird addressing his Sikhs who had gathered to see him. This happened during the final night of the Shahidi. Pai Gurdas ji writes this very beautifully in his Vara, Var number 24, Paudi 23, the Nazara at that time. That how Guruji addressed his Sikhs. In this line that we were singing, Guru Upades na visre babihe jio aankh vakhani. As cool as the babiha, Guruji addressed his Sikhs and said, don't forget the Guru's teachings. Guru Upades no nahi pulna, Guru Upades na visre. Pai Gurdas ji continues to write, Gurmukh sukh fal, piram ras, sad samad, sad sang jani. Attain the love of God in your heart, attain that state of sad samad, peaceful bliss by joining the holy congregation, by joining the Sad Sangat ji, singing his praises, getting the piram ras, the sweet nectarian love for Vaheguru. And Pai Gurdas ji says, Guru Arjan Vitton Kurbani. I am a sacrifice unto Guru Arjan Dev Maharaj ji. So what is it? What is the ardas that we can offer to Guru Arjan Dev Maharaj ji? Firstly, we can ask Guru Maharaj for the gift of Shabad, the gift of Gurbani. We can start by asking for the gift of Japji Sahib. Whenever we read the Katha of Shahidi, the Katha on Shaheeds, or we hear the Katha of the Shaheeds are always reciting Japji Sahib throughout the duration to get the Atmak Shakti, to get the Shakti inside. Guru Nanak Dev Ji had told Pai Lena this, who became Guru Angad Dev Maharaj, please tell the Sangat this. Please tell the Sangat, if they want to feel me near to them, recite the Japji with a lot of love. Kavi Santokh Singh ji writes this very beautifully. Japji Sahib Preet so jahi, Japji Sevan Preet so jahi, Mam Sameep Parapat Tahi. Those who recite the Japji with a lot of love, breathe. Mam Sameep, I will be next to them. I will be near them. Guru Nanak Dev Maharaj himself has said this Kimti Bachan to Guru Angad Dev Maharaj ji. So let us start by reciting our Bani regularly. We get the Atmak Shakti, the Atam Ras within ourselves. Secondly, what is the ardas that we can do? Gyani Pindarpal Singh ji in his Katha very beautifully has said, Tati tavi te thand naal bਹਿਣ ਵਾਲਿਆ ਸੰਸਾਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਸਕੂਨ ਬਖਸ਼ ਦੇ. Guru Arjan Dev Maharaj, you sat on the red hot iron plate and you were cool inside. Help me to be in that state too. Help me to become cool and calm inside. So Sad Sangat ji, इन्हें को बचन परवान करने, गलतियां भुल्लां चुका माफ कर देनिया। We will just recite the Shabad Bhai Gurdas diyan waran, the last 2 lines once again. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
गुरु उपदेश ना विसरा, गुरु उपदेश ना विसरा। पापी है जो आँख बखानी, पापी है जो आँख बखानी। गुरमुख सुख फल विरम रस, गुरमुख सुख फल विरम रस। गुरमुख सुख फल विरम रस, गुरमुख सुख फल विरम रस। सहज समाध साध संग जानी, सहज समाध साध संग जानी। गुरे अर्जन बिटो कुर्बानी, गुरे अर्जन बिटो कुर्बानी। करो दया, करो दया, करो दया मेरे साईं। करो दया, करो दया, करो दया मेरे साईं। ऐसी मत
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਗੁਰਪਿਆਰੀ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ, ਇਹ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਜਥੇ ਨੇ ਗਾਇਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, ਐਸੀ ਮਤ ਦੀਜੈ ਮੇਰੇ ਠਾਕੁਰ ਸਦਾ ਸਦਾ ਟੁੱਟ ਧਿਆਏ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਅਰਦਾਸਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਹੈ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ, give me this understanding so that I may forever meditate upon your name. Tum karo daya mere sahi. Have pity on me, Guruji. Here, as we are Shahidi of Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, here, let's talk a little bit about Guru Arjan Dev Ji. I know you all have heard a lot of Sakya about Guru Arjan Dev Ji, about the Shahidi. What I want to do for today is talk about ऐसी मत ए दीजिए मेरे ठाकुर, ऐसी मत दीजिए मेरे ठाकुर. What mat? We learn something when we look at someone else doing something and we internalize it. You see, Guru Arjan Dev Ji, he was born in 1563. And he was the youngest son of Guru Ramdas Ji. Guru Ramdas Ji has 3 sons. He was the youngest son. And Guru Arjan Dev Ji got a Gurgadi at the age of 18 or 19. And it was during Guru's time, this Sangat from Kabul, from Afghanistan, they were coming to Amritsar. They wanted to have the darshan of Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Remember, during the Sakya of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Guru Nanak Dev Ji paid a visit to Kabul in 1521. The Sangat in Kabul in Afghanistan, they are aware of Sikhi. Guruji has planted the plant of Sikhi. They spread the message of Sikhi. And the Sangat, they are aware of Sikhi. And when they realize the 5th Guru Nanak, Tan Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, was sitting on this takat. They have this cha, they want to go and see their Guru. They want to go and see their 5th Guru. And remember, the distance from Kabul to Amritsar, if you realize, very far. The distance is the border of Pakistan, Iraq, and you'll go to Afghanistan. And the distance was 750 kilometers. And by walk, non-stop, it's around 6 to 7 days. And this Sangat has been walking for many, many days. You see, they have the cha, they all the way, they wanted to have a darshan of their Guru. How many of us sitting here want to go to Gurdwara? It's so difficult. We don't have time. Because no transport, we don't want to go. And this was the darshan. They want to go and see the Guru Nanak, the 5th Guru Nanak, Tan Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj. Guru Arjan Dev Ji, so when he, on the Gurgadi was, his age was around 18 years old. So this Sangat, they wanted to go to Amritsar, so they started their journey. And they were around one more day before reaching Harmandir Sahib. And they could not reach the same day go up to Amritsar, so they settled in one place to rest. And here, one young couple, age of around 19 or 20 years old, and his wife, saw them and helped them to settle down. They prepared langar for this Sangat who are coming, and then they were told that we are coming from this Sikh Sangat. This Sikh asked this Sangat from Kabul, they said, we are going to Harmandir Sahib to pay our respect. We have darshan of Guru Arjan Dev Ji. And the Sikh and his wife was so happy. And they asked if we can help you. So does this Sikh and his wife prepare food, prepare place to rest for this Sangat from couple. And Saki had said that he even massaged some old people there. Someone was very old from a long distance journey, and he helped them to settle down and he massaged their leg. Then as the next day morning, they were all preparing to continue their journey to Harmandir Sahib, and this Sikh couple, they went early in the morning. So the Sangat went towards Harmandir Sahib, and as they reached the Harmandir Sahib, so the Jathedar of this group from Kabul, who will stay outside to take care of our things, our shoes. You know, when we go to Darbar Sahib or when we went to any Gurdwara, we'll keep our shoes outside. And they were carrying their luggages, everything, and their shoes. Who will take care? None of them wanted to take care because all of them were so eager to have the darshan of their Guru. Then this Sikh youth, this Sikh person, the same person who they met early in the morning or they helped them last night, he said, I will take care of the shoes of your things. And the Sangat were very happy and they walked inside. They walked inside, they waited around 45 minutes. Then they saw Baba Buddhaji. I think they know Baba Buddhaji. They saw Baba Buddhaji and they asked Baba Buddhaji, we are from Kabul, Afghanistan. We came to pay our darshan for Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Then Baba Buddhaji said, but Guruji has gone. He has gone to meet the Sangat who are coming from Kabul. The Jathedar said, no, we are the Sangat. Then as they look at each other, didn't you meet Guruji, the Baba Buddhaji? No, Babaji, we did not meet anybody. But yes, we met a Sikh and his wife, and they did a lot of seva for us. They were doing a lot of seva yesterday, and now that's the only person we saw. Where is Baba Buddhaji asked, where is that person? We left him outside. He's looking at he's taking care of our shoes. So Baba Buddhaji and the Jathedar, they went outside. And when they went outside, they saw Guru Arjan Dev Ji was cleaning the shoes. He was cleaning the shoes with his chola. And they saw their Guru, who they came to pay darshan, was cleaning their shoes. They saw the blessed darshan of their Guru as he was cleaning the shoes. They saw the humility inside their Guru as he was so absorbed. Baba Buddhaji saw Guru Arjan Dev Ji and started crying, Oh Sache Pacha, what are you doing? And Baba Buddhaji went forward to take away the shoes from Guru Arjan Dev Ji. And the Sangat, when saw all this and all, they felt so, seeing their Guru cleaning their shoes. They felt so immersed with the humility of their Guru. Then as Baba Buddhaji came near, Guru Arjan Dev Ji said, Babaji, please do not stop me from doing this blessed seva. These are the shoes of the loving children of my beloved Guru Nanak. These are the shoes of the loving children of my beloved Guru Nanak. Now the whole Sangat were in tears. Guruji smiled. I haven't seen Guru Nanak Dev Ji. You have seen. Baba Buddhaji has served for the Panch Guru. I haven't seen Guru Nanak Dev Ji, but you have seen. Take a look at this pair of shoes. When Baba Buddhaji looked at the shoes, he immediately recognized this pair of shoes was the pair of shoes Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Khalsa Ji. The moral of this story, this Sakhi, when doing seva at the Gurdwara, we wouldn't know who will be there. When we come to Gurdwara, there are many elevated souls there. Who knows who is visiting the Gurdwara? Who knows which Gurmukh soul has come today? If we are cleaning some children's shoes, have in mind, it can belong to one of our Sahibzadis. If you are cleaning a baby's shoes, have in mind, it could belong to Bibi Pani Ji. Khalsa Ji, look at the humility, the devotional humility of Tan Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji. The Sangat had the highest lesson in humility, spirituality of a person, humility in devotion, and devotion in humility, Khalsa Ji. Sadguru never forsakes his beloved Sikhs. Sadguru loves his disciples with deep and abiding love and uplift them spiritually, if we have the faith in him. Guru mere pran, Sadguru meri rasa. Guru mere pran, Sadguru meri rasa. For Sikh, the Guru is the soul of his own soul. Nanak Satguru Sikh ko ji naal samare. Nanak Satguru Sikh ko ji naal samare. Sadguru loves and holds his Sikh dearer to himself than his own soul. If we take the first step towards him, Khalsa Ji, if we take the first step towards him, then Guru take million steps to receive us. Charan saran Guru ek penda jaye chal. Satguru कोट पेंडा आगे हुए लेता है. Khalsa Ji, as the Shabad, as just now we were singing, this Shabad, तुम करो दया मेरे साई, ऐसी मत दीजिए मेरे ठाकर. Now, the Jatha will continue with this Shabad, the last line, ऐसी मत दीजिए मेरे ठाकर, सदा सदा तुद त्याई. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.
ऐसी मत दीजिए मेरे ठाकुर, सदा सदा तुद त्याई. ऐसी मत दीजिए खालसा